The ant and the grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper. Grasshopper sings in the sun. It works. Play with me, says Grasshopper. I can't, says Ant. I need food for the winter, but it's summer, and you will be hungry. Winter will come, says Ant, and you will be hungry. Grasshopper laughs and sings. Ant carries some more corn. Winter comes. Ant is happy. Grasshopper is cold and very hungry. Thank you. Come inside, says Ant. Thank you, says Grasshopper. Next up, I will work too. The lesson is about the ant and the grasshopper is you are supposed to work when it is the summer.
And what happens if you don't?
If you don't, you will get cold and you won't hide.
And what happens if you do work hard?
You'll find a shelter and then you'll stay there for the winter.
So how did the grasshopper survive the winter if he didn't prepare?
Because he wanted the ant let him in his house.
Do you think that was nice?
Yes.